Namaste dear friends, welcome to the 12th day of 30 days yoga challenge. As usual, we will be start the yoga session with a small affirmation. We will repeat the affirmation 3 times. First, we will use the affirmation loudly, then slowly, then very slowly as a whisper. Keep the affirmation in the mind. Try to give a deep concentration on the affirmation. And with that concentration, we will be practicing the session. Sit in a cross-legged position. Both hands in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes, open your chest. We'll be doing a small breathing exercise. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Slowly exhale completely out through the nostrils. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath. Slowly exhale. One more time. Inhale deeply. Hold the breath. Slowly exhale. Continue the breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Concentrate at the point between your eyebrows. Try to use affirmation 3 times. Repeat after me. I am peace. I am peace. I am peace. Continue the breathing. Slowly open your eyes. Now, we'll be beginning the session. We'll be starting with the cat stretching, Marjari Asana. Stand on your knees and your palms. Your palms are shoulder width apart, your knees hip width apart, or a little bit wider. Toes are tucked in. Look down. As you inhale, your head up, chest up, look up, and extend your hip backwards. Exhale, roll your hip forward and hip down, head down, chest down, look at the navel. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Do at least 10 times. Give a nice stretch to the spine. Keep the elbows straight. Three more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. Inhale up. Exhale down. From there, come to Adho Mukha Svanasana, a downward facing dog. Keep the Knee straight, elbow straight. Extend your elbows, spread your fingers, and look at the toes. Give a nice stretch to the body. Keep the knees straight. Try to rotate your hips internally. Five deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come to push-up position. Exhale down. Lie down on the abdomen. Place the palms under the shoulder, your legs together, elbows are close to the body, forehead down on the mat. As you inhale, slowly press the palms down on the mat. Inhale, your head up, chest up, and look up. Press the hip on the mat, your knees straight, toes pointing out, look up. Breathe. Extend your throat region and look at the ceiling, and slowly exhale down. We will be doing 2 more times. Inhale up, look up, breathe. Shoulders are relaxing, elbows are bending. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale, head up, chest up, hip down, elbows slightly bending, shoulders relaxing, the chest is open, you're breathing freely. Slowly exhale down. Very good. Now, shake your hand a little bit, release the tensions on the hands. And both arms behind your back, interlock the fingers. Keep the elbow straight. Keep the knees straight, toe pointing out. Now inhale, head up, chest up. Extend your hands backward. And breathe. Slowly exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Breathe. Exhale down. 1 more time. Inhale up. Breathe. Exhale down. Again, release the hand. Shake your hand. Release the tensions. Again, palms under the shoulder. Toes pointing out. Inhale, head up, chest up. Come to cobra. And from there, exhale. Come to child's pose, Asana. Inhale, head up, chest up. Again, move forward, lie down on the mat. Again, inhale, head up, chest up. Come to cobra. Exhale, stretch to Asana. This is called Bhujang Asana. That is, you have to we're doing these 2 asanas dynamically. Again, come down, lie down on the mat, forehead on the mat. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, come to Asana. Inhale, head up, chest up. Lie down on your abdomen. 3 more times. Inhale, head up, chest up. Come to cobra. Exhale to Asana. Child's pose. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale up. Exhale, lie down the abdomen. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, come to child's pose. Last round. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, down on the abdomen. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, come to child's posture. Place your buttocks on the heels. Try to place the forehead on the mat and breathe. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Inhale, head up, chest up. Slowly sit on your heels. Exhale. Again. Both legs outstretched. Bend the right leg, right feet, outer side of the left thigh. And left knee bent straight, right, left toe pointing out. Inhale, right hand up. Turn the right hand to the right side. Turn the upper body towards to the right. Inhale, at the same time, left hand up. Place the left hand on the right side. Now all part of the upper body towards to the right. Right foot to the left. And twist your upper body towards to the right side and look at the right shoulders. Give a deep breathing. 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, come to the center and release. We can do the other side. Straighten your right leg, right toe pointing out, bend in the left knee, left foot outer side of the right thigh. Inhale, left hand up, turn the left hand to the left side, turn the upper body towards to the left. Inhale the right hand up, again place the right hand to the left side, twist the upper body towards to the left side, look at the left shoulders. Breathe, 5 deep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, down. Again, both legs together. Shake your legs. Come and sit up. Sit in cross-leg position. Both hands in chin mudra. Close your eyes and breathe. Keep a smiley face. Give a deep inhalation and exhalation. Slowly open the eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much for the practice. See you tomorrow with the next video. Namaste.